Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer TRX from Revolut to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your TRX tokens from your Revolut account to Bitrue for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the TRX you want to transfer in your Revolut crypto wallet. Open the Revolut app on your phone or log in on your computer. Navigate to the Crypto section. It's usually at the bottom of the app. Select TRX from your list of holdings. Next, hit the Send or Withdraw button. Revolut might prompt you to confirm your identity or review your transaction limits, so keep an eye out for that. Now, you'll need your Bitrue wallet address. Head over to the Bitrue app or website, log in, and go to your TRX wallet. Copy the deposit address. Remember, it's specific to TRX, so make sure you're on the Tron network. Back in Revolut, paste that Bitrue address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send, but don't forget to account for any network fees. TRX uses the Tron blockchain, so fees are usually low, but they can vary. Double-check the address to avoid sending to the wrong place. That's crucial. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your Revolut PIN or biometrics. You'll get a confirmation screen, and the transfer should process quickly, often in minutes. After that, switch back to Bitrue and refresh your wallet. You should see your TRX arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Tron. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network, Tron for TRX, to prevent errors. Be aware of any minimum transfer amounts on Revolut and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. Transferring crypto can be exciting, but stay safe out there. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.